What if you could make a full-time income or a lucrative side hustle by leveraging AI to write professional content in just minutes? Imagine creating compelling social media captions, detailed product descriptions, or even blog posts without spending hours brainstorming or writing. That's where Copy.ai comes in, and it's an AI-powered tool designed to generate high-quality copy for businesses, blogs, and social media effortlessly. Whether you are a freelancer looking to scale your services, an entrepreneur who needs quick and effective marketing content, or a job seeker wanting to add an edge to your skills, learning to use Copy.ai could open up new income streams and career opportunities. So, why is Copy.ai such a valuable tool? Because it's fast, saving you hours of effort, and it's cost-effective, especially when compared over hiring a professional writer for every small project. And most importantly, it empowers anyone, even those without writing experience, to produce professional-grade content. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to use Copy.ai, and I will share actionable ways you can turn this tool into a money-making machine to help you earn by offering services or creating content that sells. So let's get started by setting up your Copy.ai account. First, head over to Copy.ai to log in or sign up. Once you are in, you will land on this dashboard, which is super intuitive and easy to navigate. Now, let's take a moment to explore the workspace. On the left-hand menu, you will find the main navigation tools. You can access chats, which act as your AI assistant for tasks like writing, brainstorming, or researching. Under the automation section, you will see the section like workflows, operating systems, and the workflow library, where you can create or explore automations tailored to your specific needs. And for assets, there's InfoBase, where you can upload and manage your reference materials. And the brand voice, this is where you can define your unique tone to ensure all generated content stays consistent with your style. The main dashboard is divided into sections to help you get started quickly. You can launch a new chat, customize the assistant to match your brand using the Define Your Brand voice, or browse example chats for inspiration. Below that, you will see workflow options, including sales workflows and marketing workflows, which is designed to streamline business processes. Next, let's dive into a live demo of creating content with Copy.ai. First, head over to the chat section. Then click the Create Chat button. This is where we will start creating content. Let's say we want to create a social media post to promote a new product. In the chat window, I will type, write an engaging Instagram caption for a new eco-friendly water bottle. Highlight its benefits and encourage users to buy. Alright, then within seconds, the AI will generate the caption tailored to our request. You can tweak and refine them directly in the chat, and you can copy the content to post it on Instagram directly. Now let's move to creating a product description. Staying in the chat section, I will ask the assistant, write a compelling product description for the same eco-friendly water bottle, focusing on its sustainable materials and sleek design. Then we will get professionally written results ready for e-commerce listings or marketing campaigns. Notice how the AI uses our instructions to craft descriptions that are clear, concise, and audience-focused. For long-form content such as blog posts, we can still use this chat. Let's type, create a blog outline for the topic, 5 ways to stay hydrated sustainably. The assistant will provide an outline with key points and structures, such as reusable water bottles, water filter systems, and infused water and sustainability. We can then take it further by asking it to write an introduction and even a full draft based on the outline. And we can ask the agent to make it longer if we want. And you can click this Add to Editor button to edit the content if you want to make some changes to it. This makes creating blogs faster and more efficient, especially for content creators or small businesses. Throughout the process, you can refine the tone, audience, or focus by typing specific instructions into the chat. And each piece of generated content can be saved or exported for further use. If you don't know how to write a good prompt, in order to get the best results, you can go to the dashboard page and click this Browse button to explore the example prompts for sales and marketing, and check out the best practices and tips. and the common mistakes to avoid when writing your prompts. Leveraging these chat features, you can handle a variety of content needs, from social media posts to detailed product descriptions and blog posts, all in one seamless workflow. So let's continue to explore even more possibilities on this platform. One of the standout features of Copy.ai is this workflows feature, because workflows allows you to automate repetitive tasks and streamline content creation process with ease. Whether you want to create a content pipeline, process bulk data, or integrate with other platforms, this feature has got you covered. When we navigate to the workflow section, we land on this clean dashboard. Here, you will see options like Get Started, where you can learn the basics, and tutorial videos for mastering workflows, a help center, and a workflow library filled with ready-to-go templates that can save you hours of time. Let's click the Create Workflow button to open up the Workflow Builder. This interface lets you set up a sequence of steps, starting with a trigger. For example, you could choose trigger from popular tools like Salesforce or HubSpot to automate specific tasks, or you can choose a trigger like manual input for creating workflows you run manually. Once you've set your trigger, you can build the rest of your workflow by adding actions. These actions can include content generation, API calls, or even integrations with other platforms like Slack or Google Sheets. It's a flexible system that can be tailored to various use cases, from marketing to customer support. And in this tutorial, I won't go through the full process of building a workflow today, but I wanted to give you a glimpse of what's possible. With the Copy.ai workflows, you can save time, minimize repetitive tasks, and boost your productivity. Now let's explore the workflow library, and it's a powerful feature within Copy.ai designed to streamline your processes even further. From the left-hand menu, click on Workflow Library under the Automation section. Here, you will find a collection of ready-to-use workflow templates, organized by categories like prospecting, deal management, operation, marketing, and more. These templates are designed to solve specific tasks and save you hours of manual effort. For this demo, let's dive into the template called the Find Phone Number of a Contact. Simply click this Try This, and it will open the workflow setup page. As you can see, the workflow has an input field labeled email address, which asks for the email address of the contact you would like to retrieve the phone number for. The next step is very straightforward. Type in the email address of your target contact into the input box. Since this is just a demonstration, we won't actually run the workflow, but if you were to proceed, just simply click this Run Workflow button. Then it will fetch the phone numbers linked to that email, and it will appear in the results section below. If you are interested in diving deeper into workflows, I encourage you to explore the tutorial videos and templates within the workflow library to find out what suits your needs. And here are a few tips to help you succeed with Copy.ai. The first tip is to refine the AI output. Don't rely on the first draft. You should edit for accuracy and tone to make the content truly professional. Think of AI as your starting point, not the final product. The second one is to experiment with templates. Explore the wide range of templates Copy.ai offers. You might find tools that save time and spark creative ideas you hadn't considered before. The third tip is to offer value to your clients. You can combine AI's speed with your creativity. Tailor AI-generated drafts to your clients' specific needs to stand out and deliver high-quality results. With these tips, you will get the most out of Copy.ai and create content that's both efficient and impactful. Now that you've seen the power of Copy.ai, let's talk about how you can turn those skills into a reliable income stream. Whether you are looking for freelance opportunities, a side hustle, or ways to enhance your career, Copy.ai offers endless possibilities. For example, if you enjoy freelancing, Copy.ai can be your secret weapon. You can offer content writing services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can focus on high-demand niches like email marketing, product descriptions, or blog posts. Those are the areas where businesses are constantly looking for fresh and engaging content. The ability to generate professional copy quickly gives you an edge in meeting tight deadlines. If you want to build something bigger, you can start your own content creation business, because small businesses often struggle with their social media strategies, and you can step in to provide consistent and high-quality posts. You could even create and sell pre-written content templates for websites or newsletters to provide value to busy entrepreneurs who want fast results. Also, Copy.ai isn't just for freelancers. It's a game changer for anyone in marketing, admin, or copywriting roles. As a marketer, you can use Copy.ai to quickly generate ad copy, social media posts, or email campaigns. Virtual assistants can offer enhanced services like drafting client communications or proposals. And if you are a copywriter, showcasing how you use AI to boost productivity can make your resume or portfolio stand out in the crowded job market. And if you run a blog or website, you can use Copy.ai to generate consistent, SEO-friendly content and monetize through ads or affiliate marketing. So, whether you are looking to freelance, build a business, or enhance your current role, Copy.ai can help you unlock new income streams with minimal effort. It saves you time, boosts productivity, and opens up so many opportunities. By leveraging this AI-powered tool, you can work smarter, not harder, and create a career that's both fulfilling and future-proof. If you are ready to unlock your earning potential, start using Copy.ai today and see how far it can take you. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or success stories in the comments below. I would love to hear how you are using AI to achieve your goals. See you in the next video.